Hey everyone, in this episode of Travel Odysseys, we're going to try something new. A brand new playlist called Travel Tidbits, where we offer you a travel tip in 1 minute or less that can make your life a lot easier. So, let's get started. You want to put something on your luggage to help distinguish it from all the other pieces of luggage out there. Some people put a bandana on their luggage handle. I put this luggage tag on there, which I got from AAA. And what's cool about this is, on the other side, there's a place where I can put my name, my address, and my phone number in case this bag gets lost. Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, give us ideas about other travel tips that we can share with you. We would love to give you a shout out if you give us a really great tip. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.